Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to hide your games tournaments on Facebook. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to customize your tournament visibility. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Look for the three lines icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines icon to access the menu options. Locate and tap on the gaming option to navigate to the gaming section of Facebook. Within the gaming section, find and tap on Your Tournaments to view your ongoing tournaments. Next, tap on the three dots icon located next to Your Tournaments. Select the Hide Post option from the menu to hide the specific tournament post from your view. This action will help you manage your gaming tournaments and control what appears on your Facebook feed. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize your Facebook experience by hiding your games tournaments that you no longer wish to see. Thank you for watching our guide on hiding games tournaments on Facebook. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your social media gaming experience. Welcome to our guide.